A former employee of celebrity fitness coach Tracy Anderson has scored a major court victory after being accused of stealing her choreography to start a rival business. Megan Roup, an LA-based trainer behind the Sculpt Society, TSS, won her legal battle against her former boss earlier this month, ending a bitter copyright feud nearly 3 years in the making, according to court records obtained by the Daily Mail. In 2022, Anderson accused Roup of copying elements from her TA method choreography, specifically 19 of her dance cardio DVDs, to launch her own workout platform. Roup's team argued that Anderson's fitness empire is a results-driven system, not creative choreography, and therefore cannot be copyrighted. On February 17th, Roup emerged triumphant as the Ninth Circuit slammed the door on Anderson's copyright claims, warning that granting them would give someone a monopoly over basic fitness routines. In a statement to the Daily Mail, Roup's lawyer, Nathaniel Bach, partner at Manat, Phelps & Phillips LLP, said, "We are grateful for the Ninth Circuit's ruling affirming Megan's and the Sculpt Society's copyright win. The panel's ruling validates what we have maintained all along, that fitness belongs to everyone and cannot be restricted through misuse of the copyright laws," he added. After the ruling, Anderson's counsel, Stanley Panikowski at DLA Piper LLP, said that the court's narrow decision does not concern the vast majority of Tracy's choreography, according to the fashion law. In June 2024, the district court threw out Anderson's copyright and breach of contract claims, ruling they had no legal basis and ending that part of the battle without a trial. Earlier this month, and over a year later, the Ninth Circuit officially upheld the lower court's ruling, agreeing that Anderson's copyright claims would be dismissed. Relying on earlier case law, the court emphasized that copyright protects expression, not systems or processes, even if those systems involve dance. In this case, the court noted that Anderson's workouts, though registered and labeled as choreography, were designed to deliver exercise results. Even if the routines in the DVDs could fit within some colloquial definitions of dance or choreography, it remains ineligible for copyright protection, the panel of judges said. Claims that Roup violated the Lanham Act, including accusations of false advertising, were likewise thrown out by the court. In a biography on the TSS website, Roup wrote, "I knew that there was something missing from the boutique fitness community. So I combined my passion for dance and love for fitness to create the Sculpt Society. I spent years teaching fitness and developing the Sculpt Society method before launching in 2017, she added. In her filing, Anderson argued that the statements were false and misleading, claiming they suggested that Roup had developed her own method through years of scientific research and analysis. She alleged that Roup implied her methods were completely different from Anderson's, which Anderson said was false since many of Roup's videos drew directly from the TA method. The court ultimately ruled that a reasonable consumer is unlikely to be swayed by general statements about how Roup's fitness program was developed. Anderson's final claim alleging Roup violated the state's unfair competition law, UCL, was also tossed. The law prohibits any unlawful or fraudulent business act or practice, and unfair, deceptive, untrue, or misleading advertising. The court's ruling argued that Anderson couldn't show she personally relied on Roup's alleged misleading statements, a must for competitors trying to sue under California's UCL. The court's ruling argued that Anderson couldn't show she personally relied on Roup's alleged misleading statements, a must for competitors trying to sue under California's UCL.